What's the meaning of concentrated? Concentrated. Concentrated.
Concentrated. Concentrated. The word concentrated refers to the state when a substance is made stronger or more potent by removing other components. It describes the process of reducing a solution's volume by removing its solvent, leaving behind a higher proportion of solute. The result of concentrating a substance is that its potency and effectiveness is increased, making it more powerful and impactful. This process is commonly used in various industries, such as the food and beverage industry, to produce stronger flavors, or in the pharmaceutical industry to produce more potent medications.